Hello everyone, today we are working on a 2003 EZGO workhorse. We've got a stripped out hub. This is the most common problem these things have. You see that? There's your center spindle just sitting there, and that's just freely spinning. Yeah, smooth. There's no teeth left in there. It's got more problems than that. Look at that. Look, these haven't been tight. I picked up this card about 9 months ago. It's been pretty good. We've had a lot of fun with it, but it's obviously got problems. Got the new parts right here. Now look at this. These are upgraded, heavy duty centerpiece. And then you've also got your brake drum as a separate piece. From the research I've done, this is the fix. Updated, heavy duty, new parts. This should fix it so it lasts a lot longer. This comes with new lug nuts. Yeah, slide that on there. A little bit of play in that. That's what I'm wondering, if I got to replace this shaft or do we just go with that? We're going to pull the tire off the other side and see how it fits over there. Would you look at this? The previous owner decided the way to fix it is with a great big glob of it looks like JB Weld. Now the question is, just roll with it and pull that off. Well, I'm just going to put this tire back on and roll with it till that breaks. Then we'll fix this side. You can buy the whole axle shaft pretty cheap on Amazon, so I should probably just buy a set and have it on hand so when this gives out. So tire back on. Start with this. Then you put your washer on there, castle nut. Now if these, you want to really snug these up tight, because that is what keeps it from having any kind of wiggle. It seems pretty good. When I first jacked this up, I could hear the grinding sound, and it was weird because it sounded like it was coming from here. And so I actually pulled my pan off, looked in there, which gives me a good chance to change the fluid. So I'm changing the fluid in there, but it was clear over in here. So that's the most common problem on these, is that right there. And hopefully this fixes it. Pretty nice. That little bend. All right, tire. One of the most important things when you're doing a project like this, rolly stool. This is the magic right there. I'm going to use the old lug nuts because they're a little fancier looking. Now it's important to just go around this and just barely snug them, then tighten them a little more. Cross pattern. Well, that's a wrap. Give that a try. That should go a long time. I'll have links in the description for these parts on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you all in the next video. Hello everyone. Today we were... Why can't I talk to you? I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa.